Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dreamers. I know I have not uploaded videos for so many days, but today it's a very important day for the freshers who are batch 2017 to 2021, means who are getting pass out in 2021. They had a last chance to clear this code vita uh, by getting placed in TCS. I know you can get placed in many different manner, like you can buy in Infosys, you can give InfyTQ and going through TCS Ninja, but Code Vita has a different importance. Believe me that if you are get selected through Code Vita, then itself you are important in TCS. So let's move forward in this video. Before moving forward, I would like to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the getting the notification of updated videos. So let's move forward. Yeah, Code Vita season 9. Today at 3 p.m. the coding will start. Means competition will start and till 9 August at midnight, means at 3 p.m. This is only for zone 1. The zone 2 date will be on 15th August. So there means for zone 2 there remains 7 to 8 days. So kindly be prepare yourself. But for zone 1, who has today job, sorry, who has today competition, so please be prepare yourself, please eat food, because you have to sit in front of your laptop within 6 hours, means you don't have to move anywhere, you have to be with 6 hours. So let's get started. So all the best for your code vita, the zone 1 students. Your timing will be from today, means on 8th August 3 p.m. to 9th August 3 a.m., means at midnight. Till midnight you have whole 12 hours in which you have to give only 6 hours. Your website link will be open of TCS Code Vita only for 6 hours. The states come in zone 1 is Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune and Trivandrum. So before moving forward, yeah, I tell you that please be with your mind. Please sit be with your mind silently and do code. There is nothing hard. So please, you have to crack only two, means who have not prepared so much. So I am telling that you have to just prepare, just clear 2 or 3 questions, and this 2 or 3 question will be based on numeric simple data structure, like sorting or means like pattern like star printing and all that. So be comfortable that yes, you can do it, and you have to do only 2 to 3. If you are done 3 questions, then it will be then if you are doing 2 questions, it will also be okay. In both the condition, you are getting a email for this interview round. Okay, so let's move forward. I tell you that what were the important topics should can came in this code vita round. See, there will be 6 questions, so I tell you that how what the question defines what. Shit. Once again, yeah. In first question you can get only simple numeric question. Whether it will be I'm not telling that in first question only you will get simple numeric, whether it will be, but one question will be on simple numeric, that I am confirmed. Okay, so and the second question means the another question will be taking as the second one will be about like a simple data structure. simple data structure. Yeah, and you can say the third one should be like mm, something dynamic programming. Dynamic programming also can be consisted. So dynamic programming. Yeah, third one can be from dynamic programming. And let's see fourth question. Fourth one can be from, one second. Yeah. Fourth one can be from like searching and sorting. This all came in data structure, not here searching sorting. Like trees, yeah. Trees. In trees, like if you had listened about NQ's problem, like that one only. NQ's problem. Trees like NQ's problem and salesman trees, like the in colony, the simple shortest path for the salesman. This all question you heard in your this in sixth or fifth semester. The fifth question should be considering about like array multiplication, or matrix rotation, whatever it will be. Array multiplication or matrix rotation. And the last and sixth one should be, I'm just making out that this concept where this all concept can be come in the code vita question. So the third one will be from Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series or LCM HCM. LCM HCF. This all I think will be enough. But the important more question, but the important I tell you another things. The few more important topics are like first one, prime factorial. This can be come from any simple mathematics factorial, that first of all you have to do you have given two numbers, you have to find out the factorial of that numbers, means, and then you have to add all numbers. So means a small unit program can be concluded in a for a big program. The another one can be sorting and searching. Sorting and searching. This can come in simple data structure program, simple algo. So you have to just in sorting you didn't have to be confident with if sorting come, I will be getting uh, the queues problem that you are doing, that you are telling that I will only do heap sorting, whatever you want to do, you do the, but remember that your runtime complexity should be every time low, otherwise this will be very configured to find the error, that what memory and the runtime error, this two more I will tell you how you can do this. So this sorting and searching, these are the prime factors. You have to remember this because it can come like a small unit. Now come about a simple unit. Okay, simple error program. The error can be like first one should be like memory, and the second one should be runtime complexity, runtime error. Memory space memory, and the second should be runtime error. What this to consider, I tell you. In memory, if you are you see on the question about I tell you that constituent. Yeah, this constant, you should be always remember about this constant, that which variables you should have to give what memory size. Suppose that n should be greater than equal to 6 if they define like this. So what you will do, you will take an array over here, not but they will give more than that, like 600 or 6 to the power 9, something like that way. So what you will do, you will take the data means data type like long int or long double, long int, like that way, whatever you want to take on the basis of the constraints, because only the single int can't consider 6 to the power 9 or 10 to the power 9. One second. Yeah, 10 to the power 9 can't considered by int with data structure. So you have to take a array with long int or long int. That's depend upon your constraints, that what it's defined. So let's move forward about the runtime error. So what the runtime error tells you. Runtime error. Suppose that there is any program which will taking time for running, like there is a too much space or there is little much space for those the variable can't exist in the data can't exist in the variables. So that's why the runtime, the program should take a time for running and it. So let's see how. Runtime error should be considered as like if I'm taking array of 1000 and only we have to take some element in array like 42, 54, 74, 65 and 5, like this way, and I have given 10,000 variables, so it can cause for that you have also to take data structure on that on the particular variable like long int or something else, then it will be okay for that. So be remember now in the coding program you have to beware of two things for memory error and runtime error. Okay, so at the last I just only want to say that all the Zone 1 student, all the best for your coding competition of Code Vita, and be calm and prepare yourself. Okay, so bye bye and be on with and stay tuned with me for more further videos. Kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you like the channel, so press the hit the like button and press the bell icon for getting an updated videos notification. So thank you and bye bye.